world gets heavy when the lights burn low. Every doubt starts talking, every fear says no. Then you say my name like a melody, and the noise around me finally lets me breathe. Every scar I carry starts to feel brand new when I'm standing in the truth of you. I get lost in the sound of you, like a record spinning all night long. Every word hits deep, every note rings true. When your love comes on, I'm gone. Yeah, I fade out the hurt, fade out the blue. I don't hear the pain like I used to do. I get lost in the sound of you. I've been shouting at the walls inside my head, trying to outrun the things I never said. But your voice cuts through my broken doubt, turns the echoes into something I can't live without. When my heart beats barely keeping time, you bring the rhythm back to mine. I get lost in the sound of you, like a record spinning all night long. Every word hits deep, every note rings true. When your love comes on, I'm gone. Yeah, I fade out the hurt, fade out the blue. I don't hear the pain like I used to do. I get lost in the sound of you. When the silence tries to pull me under, you sing me back, remind me I'm stronger. In your harmony, I finally feel found. No broken parts when you're around. Yeah, I get lost in the sound of you. Every whisper feels like home. You turn my lonely into hallelujahs in the way you hold me close. I fade out the hurt, fade out the blue. Everything's clear when it's me and you. Yeah, I get lost in the sound of you. If this life's a song, let it play me through. I don't wanna hear a thing but